सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 99, verse number 13. एकस्मिन्नव्यये शान्ते चिदाकाशे मले त्वयि कुतो जन्म कुतः कर्म कुतोऽहङ्कार एव च. In the last class, I left that 12th sloka, first line, meaning one student reminded me. So I am very happy you are all in keeping touch with the subject. He tata chinmatra ruposi. Ashtavakra says, He Janaka, Tvam chinmatra rupaha asi. 12th sloka, first line. You are the pure consciousness. Chinmatra means pure consciousness, asi tvam. Then the second half, idam jagat te bhinnam na bhavati. Idam jagat, this universe, te tava means your, from you. Bhinnam na bhavati. It is not separate from you. It is not separate from you. Idam jagat te tava bhinnam na bhavati. There is no second real thing. So the world is non-different from you. From Atma Drishti. Not from body, mind standpoint. Atma Drishtya sarvam Atma, sarvam Brahma. Therefore, how universe can be different from you? Just as that ornaments are not different from the gold. Like that. So this is the meaning. Ataha kasya katham kutra heyopadeya kalpana. Since nothing is there other than you, where is the question of taking something or rejecting something? Where, how is it possible? When there is no second real thing, how can you reject? Heyam means rejecting something. Upadeya means taking something. How is it possible? Means it is not possible. In the 13th sloka, ekasmin avyaye shante chidakashe amale tvayi. In you, tvayi, in you, who, what type of you? You are alone, one, sajatiya, vijatiya, swagata, bheda, rahitaha. Ekasmin means in you, you the one who is not having any vijatiya bheda. There is no second species like Atma, there is no second Atma. Vijatiya bheda. Vijatiya means other than Atma there is no different second thing. Vijatiya bheda. Anatma is there, suppose you say, Anatma is not there, it is mithya, therefore there is no vijatiya bheda. Second one, there is no sajatiya bheda. Sajatiya means same Atma like another Atma is there. Vijatiya means Atma illamal veraha innur porul irukkirathu vijatiyam. Atma jati illamal anatma jatiyo vere edavadhu jati. அந்த மாதிரி கிடையாது. என்ன விஜாத்திய பேதா நாஸ்தி. Sajatiyam, can we take another Atma? Suppose there are two Atmas, Bhedam. This is one Atma, this is second Atma. Like that can we take? There is no second Atma. Why? Ekasma, ekaha eva. Therefore there is no Sajatiya Bheda. See, coconut tree and birds, they are called Vijatiya Bheda. Tree animal kingdom and plant kingdom vijati. Vriksha jati, Jentu jati, Manushya jati. This is called jati bhedam. Sajatiya bhedam means in tree itself there are difference. Vriksha jatilane there are different trees. Or in animal kingdom itself there are many different animals. Or Manushya jati itself there are many different human beings. That is called Sajatiya bhedam. In one jati itself there are differences. Coconut tree is different from mango tree. Mango tree is different from palm tree. That is called Sajatiya bhedam. Like that, Atma can have Sajatiya bheda. It's not possible. Therefore, Sajatiya bheda nasti. Let us take Swagata bheda. Suppose Swagata bheda means one tree itself has got different parts. Branch, leaves, fruits, flowers. Swagata bheda. Fruit is different from the flower. Flower is different from the leaf. Hand is different from the leg. Leg is different from the eyes. Different limbs are there. This is called Swagata bheda. Such a difference is possible in Atma. Because Atma is partless, it cannot have differences. We have parts, can be parted. Atma is partless. Niravayavatvāt swagata bheda rahitaha. Ekatvat sajatiya bheda rahitaha. Ekatvat vijatiya bheda rahitaha. That is the meaning of ekasmin. Avyaye, declensionless, decayless you are. Shantaha, you are of the nature of peace. You are of the nature of peace. Chidakashe, amale. Chidakasha means consciousness. Just as Akasha is divisionless, limitless, you, the Chaitanyam, is also limitless and divisionless. But Akasha has got birth, Atma is free from birth. So, Samanyam, features are there between Akasha and Atma. But uncommon feature is Akasha has got birth, Janma, Atma is free from Janma. Okay, Chidakashe. You should not take Akasham means literally Akasham. Like Akasha, it is accommodative, pervasive. Therefore, you can take that way. Chidakasha means Chaitanyam. Amala means pure. Pure. Akasha is not tainted by anything. Space is ever pure. Therefore, Atma is compared to space, Akasha. Chidakashe amale. Tvayi kutaha janma kutaha karma. Where is the question of birth? Where is the question of action? You are birthless, therefore deathless. Understood. Therefore, you are not having any action also. Atma is nishkriyaha. Nityatvat janmarahitaha. Nityatvat janmarahitaha. Nishkriyatvat karmarahitaha. Atma is free from action. Therefore, whenever Atma word is come, you have to convert into I. I am birthless, I am actionless. From morning to till night I am doing action, Swamini. So, like roller, moving like what? Grinder madri. Go on doing. That is the body-mind complex only that work doing, not Atma. That action done by only body, physical body. Not you, the Atma. Kutaha ahankaraha. When there is no karma, where is the question of ahankara? Ahankara is not there. Finally, we are going to say Ashtavakra is also not there. He says everything is not there, therefore Ashtavakra is also not there. Hey, Ashtavakra is there, you, the Atma, is there. Ahankara is mithya. Functional ahankara is there for vyavahara, but it is not real. It is unreal ahankara. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka. Yatvam pashyati tatraikah त्वमेव प्रतिभाससे किं पृथक् भासते स्वर्णात् कटकाङ्गदनूपुरम्। यहा त्वं पश्यसि तत्र एकः त्वमेव। Whatever you are seeing, yat tvam pashyasi. Whatever means whatever. Every blessed thing, whatever you come across, you experience. Pashyasi means seeing, experiencing is the meaning. Pashyasi means literal meaning is seeing. Here pashyasi means experiencing in artham. Any sense organs, through any sense organs you are experiencing. Tatra tvam ekaha eva pratibhasase. Tatra, there, in such object, wherever, in whatever object you have experience, really speaking, that object is none other than you yourself. Tvameva pratibhasase. Atma eva pratibhasase with another nama rupa. Vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam mrittika ityeva satyam. For that he gives example. Kim prudhak bhasate swarnat kataka angada nupuram. Swarnat means different from gold. Kim katakam prudhak bhasate. What you are seeing bangle, is it separate from gold? You are seeing the bangle. You are seeing gold separately, bangle separately. Prithak bhasate. Prithak means differently, distinctly, separately. Bhasate. Are you experiencing differently? Prashnarthe na aksheparthe kim. Not prashnarthe. Na bhasate ityartha. You can never experience bangle separate from gold. So, katakam means a bangle. Angadam means armlets. Here, they wear to this arms, shoulder, down to the shoulder, they wear some type of ornaments. Adhikku angadam anu peru. Armlets. Armlet illa ARM armlets, LETS. Then Nupuram means anklets. Nupuram means anklets. Bangles, anklets, armlets, all these, are they different from gold? Kim prudhak bhasate? Na bhasate. Tadvat. Tadvat yat bhasate, in the world whatever you experience, kim tat atmanaha bhinnam bhavati va? Is it different from Atma? Consciousness, existent principle. But difference I am seeing. That difference is only belong to the matter, which is temporary, which is unreal. So unreal experience, don't take it as real. Clear? Don't take it as real. If it is not clear, it looks as though real. It looks real. Therefore, when there is clarity, there is no reality. When there is clarity in understanding, there is no reality in the world, in the body also. As long as you are lacking clarity, you feel the reality in the world. You experience the reality in the world. You think there is reality. Therefore, get clarity. Let clarity. There is no reality. You understand, there is no fear also. Next shloka. Tavaiva gnanato vishvam. Oh, so 1 minute. 15. One page, I am forward going. Ayam sohamayam naham विभागमिति संत्यज सर्वमात्मेति निश्चित्य निस्संकल्प सुखी भव सह अयम अहम that he I am na adu or type of English that I am this I am not we are telling no that I am this I am not like that don't say all these words this is different from me that is different from me that I am means what dear people they take son or daughter we take them as we only not different no my son means what my form only that I am you son and children illiyo you daughter na something belongs to me something will not belong to me na I am saha aham I am na aham this is not I that is I this is not I that is I na when you show your photo that is you know who is I that is I na this is not I na this photo is not mine this is not I na I am saha aham saha ayam saha aham na aham iti vibhagamiti santyaja vibhagam this type of differentiation iti the santyaja na aham iti vibhagam samyak teja may you give up may you drop samyak teja why you have to drop because sarvam atma iti nischitya the external differences what you are seeing male female different languages different caste different color different creed all these are all really not there they are all only appearance only matter is there if you you dissection chalo illiya intellectually dissect each part nothing remain therefore sarvam atma iti nischitya what is satyam atma is satyam behind every body and everybody atma is only satyam body is not satyam body is anityam it is made out of panchabhutas it has got a change vikara it has got a lot of defects but I the atma am changeless therefore sarvam atma iti nischitya nissankalpaha may you not have any desires worldly desires sankalpame venda may you not have any sankalpa shubha sankalpas shubha vasana for spiritual pursuit okay may you not have anatma sankalpa anartha may you drop sankalpas means what nissankalpa means without any desires without any resolutions sankalpam pandrathu anatma sankalpa may you drop if you drop what you get sukhi bhava sukhi bhavana may you be happy if you have sankalpa you will be unhappy therefore sukhi bhava nissankalpaha bhutva sukhi bhava so what sankalpa you have to take I want to go to Vedanta class that sankalpa is okay Swamini Ashtavakra said nissankalpaha bhava therefore next June learns onwards I will not come to the class anatma sankalpaha tyaja nissankalpaha okay anatma na sarira manasu prapanchika vishaya sambandha you can drop vedanta shravanam vedanta mananam pathanam sarvam karaniyam you have to do okay adhyatmika chintana sankalpa you have to shubha sankalpa you have to do so edi vidanam edi vidakudadu therinjukanam next shloka tavaiva jnanato vishvam त्वमेकः परमार्थतः तत्त्वोऽन्यो नास्ति संसारी न संसारीश्च कश्चन। तव अज्ञानतः एव विश्वं भवति। I am seeing the world Vishwam, people, different species, relations. From morning to till night I am experiencing the world, people, so many relations. These are all because of ajnanataha bhavati. That experience of people, beings, the world, the climate, so many other things, all you are thinking they are real. That reality, the notion, they are all real. This body is real, the body connected people are real, all are 100% real. That notion is because of self-ignorance. Ajnanataha bhavati. Idam vishvam. Tava vishvam ajnanataha eva bhavati. Then tvam ekaha paramarthataha. Paramarthataha tvam ekaha eva. From absolute standpoint, paramarthataha means from absolute standpoint, tvam, you are ekaha, you are only one. All the differences are only your projection, mental projection. Just as the waker project the dream, when he projects the dream, that is pratibhasika satyam. So waker, when this ahankara project the world, project the waker, ajnanat project the waker, this is vyavaharika world. There is no difference between dream world and waking world. There is no difference. No much difference. No difference at all. Okay, same. That is pratibhasika satyam, this is vyavaharika satyam. What is the difference? Whatever difference, that will disappear if you wake up. Here when you get jnanam, this will continue. That's all. Priyardo, difference between waker and dreamer, dream disappear when you wake up. But this waking world also dream, but when you wake up to knowledge, this waking world continues. As mithya, it continues. As mithya, it continues, vyavaharam. But you know there is no reality. This is very, very subtle. Hard to assimilate the fact. Because paramarthataha tvam ekaha, you are one only. Unti kattai anartham. You are only one, single anartham. Tvattaha anyaha nasti. There is no one other than you. Tvattaha, other than you. Anyaha, any other entity other than you. Nasti, there is nothing. Samsari nasti, asamsari cha kaschana nasti na. Samsari anna jiva, asamsari anna Ishvara. Other than you, the Chaitanyam, there is no jiva, there is no Ishvara. You, the Atma alone, reflecting in avidya, upadhi, body-mind complex, named as jiva. You, the Atma alone, reflecting in the avidya, upadhistha, body-mind complex, Vyashti Sariram, you are jivaha. You, the Atma Chaitanyam alone, when you are reflecting in Maya Upadhi, you alone is known as Ishvara. Panchadashi Keraf. So, Maya Sahitam Brahma is called Ishvara. Avidyasthaha Upadhistaha Brahma is Jivaha. Both are your reflections only. Na samsari, na asamsari. Asamsari na Ishvaran. அசம்சாரி ஈஸ்வரனும் கிடையாது, சம்சாரி ஜீவாவும் கிடையாது. ஒரு ஆத்மாக்கு தான் இந்த ரெண்டு பேர். Only one water is known as ocean and river. One water alone is known as ocean and river. Is there river other than water? Is there ocean other than water? What is there? Water. Similarly, Ishvara is also Atma, Jiva is also Atma. But then what is this body, Maya, Avidya, all this? These are all only drama. These are only drama. Enjoy the drama nicely. The serial enjoy பண்ண தெரிய வேண்டாமோ? Serial கூட அழக்கூடாது. When serial comes, when you are seeing the episode by episode, she is acting so nicely, and you with so thrillness you are seeing the serial. Okay, like that this serial you have to see. Okay, not you, we have to see. Okay, this serial, that serial will end 350th episode, end samaptam. This serial will not end. Okay, one drama is over, another body la another drama is going on non-stop, without ticket. Without ticket, no power cut problem, no power cut problem, no repair problem. Somewhere or other one drama is going on. The Atma can see the whole drama. It is a sport. You like to see drama or not? Ticket இல்லாமல் சும்மா கிடைக்கிறது, டொனேஷன் கொடுக்க வேண்டாம், மெம்பர்ஷிப்பு வேண்டாம். You need not have an invitation also. All the time available drama. How we are missing, not enjoying. So, asamsari cha kaschana. Kaschana, nothing is there other than you. Next shloka. Bhranti matramidam vishwam na kinchiditi nischayim nirvasana spurti matraham na kinchidiva shamyati. Care of Kaivalya Upanishad, Mayeva Sakalam Jatam, Mayi Sarvam Pratishthitam. Everything arises from me, the original consciousness. Because of my ignorance, I am reflected consciousness. Ahankara. This is ignorance, this is error. If I continue in this error, there is insecurity, there is fear, there is unhappiness. If you want to come out of insecurity, unhappiness, fear, once for all, own up this fact. If you delay this fact to own up or to claim, we have to pay the price. Fear, insecurity, unhappiness. Fear, insecurity, unhappiness. Fear, insecurity, unhappiness. They will chase you. They will chase you and they will catch hold. Three of them come and hold your mind. That is called varina. Varina. Therefore he says nirvasanaha spurti matraha. Vasana rahitaha, you are really speaking. Vasana means what? Imprints. Notion, wrong notion. I am a jiva, I have papam, I have punyam, I have lot of problems. In the notion வந்து வெளியில வரணும். அது called vasanakshaya. What is vasanakshaya? Suppose you keep sweet here, Mysore pak on this. What will come next? Within, ants will come. As the moment you keep the sweet here, ants will come and go on eating. You remove the Mysore pak, you cannot see the single ant there. The moment you remove Mysore pak, everything, all ants will go away. Similarly, when you have this ignorance, ahankara, sweet, nanangara sweet, and the ahankara, body, mind, complex, deha, abhimana, mana, abhimana, I am so and so, I am staying so and so place, I am a wife of so and so, husband of so and so, I am father of so and so, I am grandfather of so and so, I am grandson of so and so, I am disciple of so and so. Ashtottara Shatanamavali. All these are all like Mysore Pak. What will come now? Worry, anger, frustration, one ant and what? Worry, anxiety, and frustration, and one anger, apdi one the fear, insecurity, all ants will come and make you burdensome. என்ன பண்ணணும் அந்த மைசூர் பாக்கு எடுத்து give up that ahankara mamakara மைசூர் பாக்குன்னு. Now what is the reason for our worry? Understand? Deha abhimana. Nanangar abhimanam adu vidappa. Nirvasanaha spurti matraha. You are only chaitanyam. Spurtyanna chaitanyam. Na kinchidive shamyati. You may be peaceful, relax, as if nothing is there. Kinchidiva, na kinchidiva, shamyati. May you be peaceful, tranquil, as if nothing is there. எல்லாம் ஒன்றுமே இல்லை அந்த மாதிரி நிம்மதியாக இருக்குன்னா ந கிஞ்சிதிவ நிச்சித்யா சாமியதி as if nothing is there. May you relax. Then what is this? Idam Vishwam Bhranti Matram. It is your Bhranti, delusion only. Your confusion, delusion. This is your what? Your projection. Na kinchiditi nischayi. There is nothing. Nischayi. May you come to conviction. Nischayi means come to final resolve. Nischayi, determine. Nischayi. Kinchid na iti. Nothing is there. While seeing itself, you have to say nothing is there. You have experienced the dream yesterday. After waking up, what do you say? Nothing is there or not? You saying or not? Nothing was there in dream. Children, yesterday I saw elephant in the dream. Yesterday I saw this, that, and all. Are you enumerating them? Are you talking about the reality? Whole dream you take and put in the dustbin. Useless and artha. Yesterday I got lottery in dream. Today go to bank, give my money. Can you ask like that? Why? How you are able to do that? Why can't you do that also? Same here also. That's why long Shravanam is required. Long Mananam is required. Not few years sufficient. Until you get Jnanam, continue. Either in this Janma or next Janma also you have to continue. Nischayi. Firm knowledge. If not, if I don't get this firm knowledge, what? That ants will come. Ants will come. Not black ants, red red ants. And the red ants also, there are different ants. If they bite, no, that's all. You cannot. Even ants are better than our worry, anxiety. Okay. Chinta dahati nirjivam. Chita dahati nirjivam vapuhu. That fire, no, that fire burns only the dead body. Chinta dahati pranayutam vapuhu. Chinta, worry, anxiety, dahati burns that live person. That is why they say dead body only, the fire burns only dead body. This worry, while you are living itself, it will not allow you to sleep. Dahati means what? It scorches you, it burns the person. He is always tensed, anxious. மூஞ்சி பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். அதுதான் குழப்பி ஃபயல்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. ஸ்லோகா 18. ஏக ஏவ பவாம் போதௌ ஆசீதஸ்தி பவிஷ்யதி न ते बन्धोऽस्ति मोक्षो वा कृतकृत्य सुखं चरम्. That's why Shastra study must be top priority in one's life. Once the Shastra study alone, from the same teacher I have to study for a length of time systematically. It is the toughest task. If I study from the same teacher directly for a length of time, I definitely get knowledge. I can come out of this ajnanam. No doubt in that. If without that Shravanam, long time systematically, you sometimes we think enakku theriyum anna. One day all those vasanas will come out. Ants, some ants hidden inside, they will come out. That time who will protect you, who will save you? Therefore Shastra alone has to save us, nothing else. Therefore top priority must be more time I have to give for quality study of scriptures. Quality mind I have to give, quality time I have to give, more time without disturbing anyone. Otherwise they disturb us. We should not disturb the family members because of our study. So silently, without disturbing anyone, smoothly we have to finish our work. They will wonder. சில பேர் என்ன பண்ண அச்சு பிச்சு மாதிரி கிளாஸுக்கு வந்த உடனே வீட்டில் எல்லாம் கடபட ஆகிடும். அப்படியெல்லாம் ஆகக்கூடாது. சமத்த அங்கே எல்லாம் முடிச்சுட்டு வேலை நம்ம பாட்டுக்கு நம்ம படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். யாருக்கு தெரியக்கூடாது. சைலண்டாக படிச்சுட்டே இருக்கணும். Because we cannot make them to understand. Very difficult. By that time we make them to understand, we want to get permission and all, by that time our Ayush will be over. That is why knack is required here. Koncha knack vanda vaango na poitu varenu sollana. Adu samadhanapaduthanum. Puriyadha? Otherwise you cannot have a quality mind here. Okay. एक एव भवाम्भोधौ भव अम्बोधि. भव means life, samsara. Ambodhi means is comparing this samsara like a ocean. Tvam eka eva, you are alone in this entire samsara. You, the Atma, is one only. Na asiditi na asti iti bhavishyati iti te bhavambodhau eka eva. You are alone, was there, you are here, and future also you will be there. Asit bhavambodhau means in this world of samsara, you the Atma alone was there, you the Atma alone is there, you the Atma ever will be there in future. Bhavishyati enna in future. Asit means you were there. Previously also you were there. And asti, present also, you the Atma alone is there. That means what? In the past tense, in the present, and in the future also, Atma alone is there. But idellame adida. In swapnam. In dream, Waker alone is there. How many things he has projected? How many are there? So many things. So many things are all in dream, real or unreal. How many are there? Only Waker is there. All other objects, unreal. Similarly, I the Atma alone am there. All the Nama Rupas are Mithya. Mrittika ityeva satyam vacharambhanam vikaro namadheyam. There is a pot, there is no pot. Isn't it? Pot you are seeing, but there is no pot. Like that, every object you have to cultivate. Cultivate na theriyadhu. Tamil and English mixture. Pot is there? Is there pot really? Pot is there only for appearance. World is there only for appearance. World is not there really. World is a word. World la L eduthutengo. L enna bone. If you remove that, it is a word. But then why I feel like this reality? That is called Bhranti. How to come out of Bhranti? Study scriptures. How to study? Come to the class regularly. Nate bandhaha asti mokshaha api nasti. Because you, the Atma alone, was there, is there, will be there, ever. Where is the question? For whom bandha, for whom moksha now? Bondage, moksha, freedom, for whom? I want bondage, I have bondage, I want moksha. That I take, I am jiva, again hankara, mamakara, if I am a jiva, I think I have bondage. Therefore, I want to get moksha. If I am Atma, I understand I have no bondage, therefore I need not have moksha also. Then what? I am nitya muktaha, ever free. There is no bondage, there is no moksha also. அப்போ மோட்சம் இல்லைன்னா சுவாமினி எதுக்காக கிளாஸுக்கு வரணும்னா இந்த மோட்சம் இல்லைன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக கிளாஸ் வரணும். மோக்ஷங்கிறது அடைகிறது அண்ட் டு கெயின் மோக்ஷா இஸ் எ மிஸ்நாம் ஆக்சுவலி. டு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் தட் யூ ஹேவ் டு கம் டு த கிளாஸ். தெர் இஸ் நோ லிபரேஷன் other than claiming myself as Atma. There is no other liberation. Understanding I am ever free. I am not bound by anything. I am Atma. This body mind is only a matter, jadam. It is not at all me at all. This is called moksha. Now also I am Atma only. Okay. That is no moksha, no bandha. Therefore, kritakrityaha sukham chara. You are always already accomplished one. You need not get moksha. Getting moksha vanda enna hum poidum. Enna ayaram kayaram. Whatever has got arrival, suppose I got moksha and so date, so and so time. Whatever has got date and manufacturing time will end in time. Therefore, if I get moksha, moksha will also go in time. Therefore, Shastra never say getting moksha. After studying Shastra, I will get moksha. You will never get moksha. You should not. You should not get moksha. Then what? You have to recognize I am muktaha. Ever muktaha. By coming to the class, you recognize I am not getting moksha. I recognize I am muktaha. You understand there is no need of getting moksha. You understand in such a way that I am Atma. I am not the body-mind complex. Therefore, I need not get moksha. I was thinking I am bound. Therefore, I thought of getting moksha. Now I have understood I am not bound. I am Atma. I cannot bound by anything. Therefore, I need not get moksha. Why? Moksha is my swarupam. Moksha, liberation is my swarupam. Swatantrata is my swarupam. Atma, I am my swarupam. I need not get. அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் எனக்கு வரமாட்டேன். சுவாமினி எப்படியாவது மோட்சம் வரப்போறது இல்லை. ஐ ஆம் ஆல்ரெடி முக்தா. தேர்ஃபோர் டாட்டா பை பை சீரியோன்னா. Okay, if you say like that, you need not come. If you have that confidence, total conformity, knowledge is there, you need not come. If you come also, it is a bonus. Listening about you, the glory of your Atma nature. It is your choice. Okay. வேறு என்ன பண்ண போகிற வீட்டில் உட்கார்ந்து அது பண்ணும்போது இங்கே நான் பற்றி கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கலாமே. ஸோ எய்தர் வே யூ ஹாவ் டு கம் டு த கிளாஸ். ஓகே. விடமாட்டேன். ஓகே. கிருத்தகிருத்தியா சுகஞ்சர. சுகமாக இருன்னு சொன்னால் சாஸ்திரம் ஏன் அழுது மூஞ்சி மாதிரி வச்சுட்டு ஏன் அழுறேன்னா அஷ்டாவக்ர இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங். மா சங்கல்ப விகல்பாப்யாம் சித்தம் க்ஷோபய சின்மயம் उपशाम्य सुखं तिष्ठ स्वात्मन्यानंद विग्रहे. Transcend ahankara and mamakara. Go beyond. Means what? Aham shariraha na. I am not shariratrayam. Like that again and again I had to say. By analysis, by understanding, by bhagatyaga lakshana, by different methods. He Chinmaya, Ashtavakrasa addressing Janaka Maharaja. He Chinmaya, you are of the nature of consciousness. Oh, consciousness is addressing. He Chinmaya, oh consciousness. So what? Sankalpa vikalpabhyam ma chittam kshobhaya. May you not disturb your mind. Chittam ma kshobhaya. Chitta means mind. Shobha means disturbance. Ma bhoot. May you not disturb your mind. Chittam ma kshobhaya. With what? Sankalpa vikalpa. Idu pannanama, idu vendama, adi pannanama, idi pannanama, adi pannalama, idi pannalama. In the மாதிரி எல்லாம் கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஆகாது. Prarabdhaya samarpitam vapuhu. Accept whatever comes. This is the nature of the entire cosmic law according to it goes. Never have sankalpa vikalpas. Leave it to whole thing to the prarabdha. Just it's like floating, like that wood floating in the water. Floating because of what? Which direction it is going? Decided by whom? Decided by the wind. Therefore your prarabdha wind decides what sukha, what dukkha you are going to get. Youngest stone varmo, go and hit. That wood will go and hit because of that wind. Sometimes smoothly it goes nicely. Long drive. Okay. Because of no stones and all. So papam inna dukkam idi. Okay. ஒன்றுமே இல்லைன்னா ஸ்மூத்தாக போயின்னு இருக்கும். Who decides? Your prarabdha decides. Therefore leave it this body to prarabdha. ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்படாது. ஏதோ கொஞ்சம் பரவாயில்லம்மா பரவாயில்ல ஓகே, நான் என்ன தான் பண்ண முடியும், உனக்குன்னு ஒரு பிராரப்தம் இருக்கே అని சொல்லி அதுக்கு பாசிஃபை பண்ணணும். அன்கண்ட்ரோலபிள், அன்சஸ்டைனபிள், இட் இஸ் அன்பிரடிக்டபிள். இட் இஸ் நாட் இன் மை ஹேண்ட். வை அன்னெசரி சங்கல்ப விகல்பாஸ் வச்சுண்டு குழப்பம் மனசுக்குள்ள ஒரே வடிச்சுக்கிறது மனசுனேன்னா பிரெயின் தலை ஒடிஞ்சு போயிடுமோன்னு பயம் சில பேருக்கு. தேவையா? சங்கல்ப விகல்பாபியாம் சித்தம் மா க்ஷோபயா ஹே சின்மயா. மா க்ஷோபயா ஹே சின்மயா. எதுக்குடா க்ஷோபம்? யூ ஆர் சின்மயம். Therefore, upashamya sukham tishtha. Sukham tishtha. May you remain happily. Upashamya. By withdrawing from all these anatma entanglements. அவனுக்கு என்ன ஆகுமோ, இவனுக்கு என்ன ஆகுமோ, அது எப்படி ஆகுமோ, இது எப்படி ஆகுமோ ரொம்ப திங்க் பண்ணாது. டூ மச்னா விட்டுடு, அவ்வளோதான். உபசாமிய. பை ரிமைனிங் காம், குவயட், மே யூ பி ஹாப்பி. ஸ்வாத்மனி ஆனந்த விக்கிரஹேன். ஸ்வாத்மனி ஆனந்த விக்கிரஹே திஷ்டா. What is your vigraham, real vigraham, you know? Not this 80 kgs body. Ananda vigraha you are. You are of the nature of Ananda. Vigraha means embodiment. You are of the nature of an embodiment of Ananda Swarupam. Ananda Kalip. Okay. Vigraham Swatmani Tishtha. May you remain in your own nature. May you remain in your own nature. Husband comes among no panduva. Mamiyar comes no. Edo taunting. Taunting பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பா. சர்வெண்ட்டோ டிரைவரோ யாரோ ஒருத்தன் இருக்கணும் இல்லையா பிராரப்தத்துக்கு. அதெல்லாம் பண்ணும்போது ஓ நன்னா இருக்க ட்ராமா இன்னைக்கு எல்லாம் கிளைமேக்ஸ் பார்க்க வேண்டியதா. பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கணும். என்ன பண்ணுறது? நம்ம ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது, முடியவே முடியாது. அதுதான். ஸோ சுகம் சரா திஷ்ட ஸ்வாத்மனி ஆனந்த விக்கிரகம். ஓகே, தட்ஸ் வை ஆல்வேஸ் ப்ளூமி ஃபேஸ், not gloomy but bloomy. To bloomy, to be happy, to bloom, what you to do? Nothing. Okay, you need not do anything. To remain as Atman, Ananda Vigraha, you claim your real nature, you are already Atma. But for anything, you have to do something. ஏதாவது ஆனந்தம் வரணுமன்னா பிரதிபிம்ப ஆனந்தம், அனுபவ ஆனந்தம், யூ ஹேவ் டு டூ சம்திங். ஐ வாண்ட் டு ப்ளீஸ் மை ஹஸ்பண்ட், யூ ஹேவ் டு டூ நைஸ் டிஷ்ஷு ஃபுட்டு பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும். இல்லைன்னா அவர் எப்ரிசியேஷன் வேணுமன்னா ஏதாவது பண்ணி கொடுக்கணும். எல்லாம் யூ ஆர் ஸோ லுக்கிங் ஸோ நைஸ்ன்னு சொல்லணும். அடிக்கடி ஏதாவது பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கணும். ஈவன் டு pacify my body, I have to do what? Nail care, pall care, hair care எல்லாம் பண்ணணும். இது நான் இல்லைன்னு சொன்னால் என்ன ஆகிடும்? நோ ப்ராப்ளம் அப்பா, ஐ நீட் நாட் கோ டு பியூட்டி பார்லர் லேட்டார். இருக்கிறது ஏதோ சம்பாதிச்சுன்னு மேனேஜ் பண்ணுவேன். ஐ நீட் நாட் பேம்பர் திஸ் பாடி, which body is going to haywire. எத்தனை நாளாக பண்ண முடியும் இதுக்கு? ஏதோ ஒரு அளவுக்கு இருந்தால் போன்னு சொல்லணும். சமத்தா இருந்தால் அவ்வளோதான். ரெண்டு மேலே எது வேலை முடியாதுன்னு சொல்லணும். இது வேலை முடியாது. என்ன சாப்பிட்டா கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டம், சாப்பிடலன்னா கஷ்டம். எவ்வளோ ப்ராப்ளம் கொடுக்குறது இந்த உடம்பு. இது வச்சுட்டு எதுக்காக திண்டாடின்னு இருக்கோம் நம்மன்னா? இது பொய்யன்னு சொல்லலாம் இல்லையோ? சீக்கிரமே சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா 20, லாஸ்ட் ஒன். த்யஜைவ த்யானம் சர்வத்ர மா கிஞ்சித் த்ருதி தாரய ஆத்மா த்வம் முக்த ஏவாசி கிம் விமృశ్య கரிஷ்யசி. தியானம் சர்வத்ர த்யஜ ஏவ த்ருதிஹி தாரய மா கிஞ்சித். ஹிருதி கிஞ்சித் ஹிருதி தாரய மா தாரய. ஓகே, யூ கிவ் அப் மெடிடேஷன் சொல்கிறாரு. மெடிடேஷன், if it is there, you have to invoke Triputi, Dhyata, Dhyayam, Dhyanam. Why this all struggle? Meditation is not at all required. For what purpose meditation? Tell me. You want to get chitta ekagrata. Chitta mein puriya agumbod indukku ekagrata. When mind itself is mithya, what for ekagrata? Therefore, falsify the mind. Nididhyasanam, this dhyanam and all only for manda adhikari, not for uttama adhikari. How long you do dhyanam? As long as you do dhyanam, you are invoking Triputi, you are invoking ahankara. You are going down only, not coming up by doing dhyanam. Therefore, dhyanam, nididhyasanam is not required. Pashyan srunvan sprushyan jigran naiva kinchit karomiti. என்ன தியானம் பண்ணணும்? சுவாமினி, ஹவு மெனி ஹவர்ஸ் யூ டூ தியானம்? தே ஆஸ்க் மீ. How much time you do puja? I don't want to disturb you. You are maybe in the puja. You may be doing dhyanam. இது பாருங்க. So, I am superimposing my own ajnanam upon the Guru also. அப்போ என்ன சொல்லணும்? நான் தியானம் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொல்லணும். நான் என்ன பண்ணுறது? Why you are conducting meditation classes, Swami? Meditation is not required, therefore I have to conduct meditation. To say meditation is not required, I have to conduct meditation. I have to make their mind focused on Shastra and then that mind, that person has to say meditation is, I am doing transcendental meditation anna. Pudariyada transcendental meditation anna idida nijama. I am doing transcendental meditation. Hey, transcendental you need not do. It is not a doing. Again, doing and anartha. You are doing means what? You are doing in karma again. You, the Atma, need not do any dhyanam. That's why he says, Tyaja dhyanam sarvatra eva, under all circumstances. Dhyaname require illa. Aham brahmasmi ani sollano. Adukku dhyanam edukku? Na kinchid hridi dharaya. You need not, I want to focus my mind, I want to remember my ishtadevata. Hridi dharaya means what? That prameya vastu I have to keep in my heart. Hridi dharaya ma. You need not hold to any object of meditation in your heart. Because heart is mithya, meditation of object of meditation is mithya. Enna Ishwaranu mithya, Hridayamu mithya. Yaru medu meditation pannano ipo? Tell me. Ishwara is Maya Sahitam Brahma, Ishwara mithya, Nama Rupa. Hridayam already Jiva mithya. Who is doing meditation upon whom? So, ma hridi dharaya. You need not focus your mind on anything. Idella eppo theriyumo? After Nishtha, okay? Don't stop now itself. Atma tvam mukta eva asi. You are Atma, you are ever free. Muktaha. Kim vimrishya karishyasi. Constantly being preoccupied with what? Future. Kim vimrishya karishyasi. Being preoccupied with future plans, why you are worrying unnecessarily? Kim vimrishya karishyasi. By future plans, future. In the future, you are Atma now also, you are Atma in future also. இப்போ எல்லாம் நமக்கு வரி எதுக்கு தெரியுமோ? லைஃப் முன்னாடி எப்படி இருக்குமோ? நான் ஆத்மா தான், எனக்கு தெரியும், ஆனாலும் எப்படி இருக்குமோ என்னமோ. ஃபியூச்சர் எப்படி இருக்குமோ என்னமோ. ஃபியூச்சர் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ஃபியூச்சர் ஃபார் ஹூம்? பாடிக்கு மைண்டுக்கு தான். நாட் ஃபார் யூ ஆத்மா. You are not the body mind. Body mind future எப்படி இருக்குமோ prarabdha decides. You don't have any control. Therefore, leave this body mind complex to the prarabdha future. Future prarabdha. Swami, நீங்க எவ்வளவு ஈஸியா சொல்றீங்க. It is easy to say than done. Okay, but it is the fact. Instead of worrying about the future, by worrying, are you going to change your future? You are not going to change. Plan, but don't worry. Okay, you can plan for future. What plan? I study all Upanishads, Veda, Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads, Brahma Sutra, ellame அப்படியே disseminate பண்ணிடுவேன். All the future plan. What is the future plan now? Aham Brahmasmi Nischaya Jnanam is my future plan. நல்லா வச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகே, அந்த ஃபியூச்சர் பிளான் இருக்கட்டும். Anatma future plans drop because Anatma is always gradation. There is a gradation. If I hold on to that word, naai wall madri, I want to make that wall of that dog straighten. Mudiyuma? Adhe madre future plans, future about that you cannot make perfect. Plan, leave it to prarabdha. But remain as Atma. Whatever comes, okay. I am okay, you are okay, everything is okay. In Atma, everything is okay. In body mind complex, nothing is okay. Therefore, I am Atma consciousness. In the body mind complex, Ada Deepavali. Okay. Have nice holidays. Enjoy as Atma Swarupam. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavamasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम्।